For anyone looking to bring their hot brew on the go, Sublimation travel mugs can help keep anyone's drink warm while standing out stylishly with your images. Built with a double-walled insulated design and pop-top lid, whatever you put inside the mug will surely stay hot. These poly-coated travel mugs come in white, stainless steel, and stainless steel with a white patch. In terms of how they can be sublimated, all you need to do is print and prepare an image based on the mug's imprint dimensions. Tape the printed transfer to the mug's imprint area, then you can sublimate onto it using a mug press. Set it to 365 degrees Fahrenheit for 120 seconds at medium pressure, then press. These travel mugs are ideal for cold days out, but really are perfect for any day out. By also being ready for sublimation, these mugs are perfect for branding or personalization. Sublimation travel mugs and more sublimation drinkware can be found at heatpressnation.com.